Getting some really soupy looking clouds coming in. You can really see the definition in it. When you see these kinds of clouds and soupy, you know some nasty stuff's on the way. Get a little bit of thunder and a little bit of lightning too. Mostly inner cloud, but a few cloud to ground strikes already. And it is 6:45. O'clock and things begin to pop a little bit. It's actually raining, a lot of good lightning, and a small lowering just to the south of town. So, something to be watching.
I've got the rotation of the clouds, so it's right overhead here, and just starting to get some light rain. Okay, is there any reason for concern? Over. Not at this moment. Okay, G5. Okay, let me confirm it. Thank you. Cases FYT, K0GAD, WTR. Still no definition here. 36. KRH, go ahead. Looking due east, I can see on the horizon, or several miles east, that there is rotation in that. It appears to be scud that's going back, that's going in and out of the cloud base. K0, KRH, 36. Understood, thank you.
What are we talking about there?
Yes, yes, sir.
I'm at Rolling Hills Boulevard and Old City, and I'm practically right under this thing, and I don't see a lot of rotation, but it is very ominous. I'm getting some bouts of heavy rain mixed with some spattering.
K0GAD, what's your current location? I'm at 48 South Street. At this point, just stay with us. Thanks, K0GAD.
That's missed that much by it went boom, boom. Sweet. Not very safe, but sweet. I guess it's that shelf cloud or part of the shelf cloud they're talking about. Yeah, bring some people out. Clouds are roaring today. Now look down this way. I don't know if you can tell, but underneath or behind this cloud base here, it's green. It's a light gray, soupy green. The rain is almost literally stopped, and there's another lightning flash. Yeah, that's gonna be messing me up. coming up right behind that shelf cloud, about 30-35 mile an hour out of what, southwest.